Hello, Alistas! I have some massive news for you today and I cannot keep it a secret anymore.
Ano yun?
Well, it's official! Part na tayo ng Watson's Playlist.
Yes! Kaya naman super excited na kaming mag-perform at makiconnect sa inyo on that stage.
Pero hindi lang yan ang pasabog. Makakasama din natin ang magpapatibok ng ating mga puso na si Earl Agustin at ang cool na bandang K-June.
Wow. Kaya talaga namang this is super exciting, guys! Kasi this is actually our first time na makapag-collab ng ganito with these artists.
Kaya naman, nag-prepare talaga kami ng something unique. Just for the Watson's Playlist show.
At promise, hindi nyo ito pwedeng ma-miss. You have to be there.
Ano nga ba makakakuha na ticket?
Ayun, you can get your tickets by shopping in store at Watson's or through the Watson's app. Every purchase nyo ay may chance kayo na mapanood kami ng live.
Kaya naman, kita-kits! And let's make some noise sa Watson's Playlist.
Yeah!